my channel. My name is Geetika and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 dishes with raw mango. First one is the mango dal, then the juice and the mango rasam. The ingredients that we'll be needing for this recipe are turmeric powder, 4 garlic cloves, a chopped onion, some salt to taste and chili powder to taste. I have taken 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a small glass of tur dal, raw mango. As you can see, I have not peeled it, oil and then 4 glasses of water. By 4 glasses, I mean the glass that I've used for the tur dal. Now let's begin with the recipe by soaking the tur dal in water and then transferring it into a pressure cooker. So I have cleaned my tur dal and transferred it into a pressure cooker, and I'm going to add the 4 small glasses of water. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil. Then I'm going to add the turmeric powder. And then the salt and the chili powder. And then I'm going to add the raw mango. And then the garlic and the onion. Now I'm going to close it with a lid and wait for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, I'm going to open the lid. This is how it looks now. Now using this tool, I'm going to mix it. So now we're going to make the tadka that we need to add into our dal. For that we need oil, chopped garlic, ing, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and chopped onion. Now let's begin with making the tadka. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves, mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. Then I'm going to add the onion. And then I'm adding the garlic clove. Now I'm going to add the ingredients that we cooked in the pressure cooker into this bowl after frying it. Now the mango dal is ready. For the second and third recipe, you will be needing water. You can take how much ever water you need for the juice and the rasam together, and then 1 chopped raw mango peeled and the seeds of the mango from this recipe and the dal recipe. Now let's begin with making it. First I have taken a pressure cooker and I'm going to add the water into it. And then I'm going to add the raw mango and the seeds. Now I'm going to close it with its lid. Now we're going to wait for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, I'm going to open the lid. This is how it looks now. I have let it cool and I'm going to use half of the water for the rasam and half of the water for the juice. And then I'm going to transfer the raw mango into a juicer. Now I'm going to throw away the seeds. Now I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. This juice will give an immediate relief for people who have sunstroke. adding 4 teaspoons of the jaggery powder. And now I'm going to blend it again. Then I'm adding it into the water that we had separated for the juice. I'm going to mix it and the juice will be ready. As you can see, the juice is ready. For the rasam, we will be needing the water that we had separated, oil, salt according to your taste, some turmeric powder, rasam powder, curry leaves, coriander, chopped garlic cloves, jaggery powder, and mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'm going to add the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. Now I'm going to add the curry leaves, coriander and the garlic clove. Then I'm going to add the rasam powder. Now I'm going to add the drained out water. After that, I'm going to add the turmeric powder and the salt. And last, the jaggery powder. After a boil, I'm going to turn the flame off. Then the rasam will be ready. Love this rasam so much because it's so tasty. Right now, I kept it in high flame. The hot and delicious rasam is ready. It can also be had as soup. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family and try these recipes at your home. Bye!